In this video, I'll show you how to install the SkimmerMotion. Please refer to the instructions for more information. First, stretch out all of the hose. This eliminates the coiled memory. Clean the pump basket and the filter to improve suction for a better performance. Connect the T-joint between your pool hose and your cleaner. Press firmly. If your suction side cleaner has a twist lock connector, you'll need a special adapter to connect it to the T-joint. Press both connectors firmly before installing it. Connect the SkimmerMotion hose to the clear base. Press firmly. Insert the orange-tipped pin inside the hole marked number 2 on the blue basket. Check that the O-ring is properly installed. Place the suction side cleaner and the SkimmerMotion in the water as far as possible from the suction port. Make sure there are no bubbles and verify that the hose is not tangled. If you have a variable speed pump, the next steps should be performed at maximum RPM, typically 3450 RPM. Close the main drain. Increase the suction going to the cleaner and the SkimmerMotion. Enjoy your SkimmerMotion and your pool all year round.